This home is planned to make every space functional and inviting, with a modern transformation that balances comfort and style. Furniture, materials, and lighting are chosen to match how you move, gather, and relax, so daily living feels natural and comfortable. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. In the living area, the layout defines the main seating zone. Next, the dining area. The dining space is positioned for easy access and natural flow. Finally, the Majlis. The gathering area keeps everyone connected and comfortable. This home proves that good design isn't about filling space, it's about making every area work together, so your home feels modern, calm, and easy to live in. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.